Welcome to DC, capital of the US of A. Join us as we walk in, out, and around DC for some great sightseeing adventures. Got some absolutely beautiful fountains overlooking the library. Directly in front of the Capitol. You can't ask for a better view. We just did a tour. It was great and wonderful. So follow us on Motorcycles and Poker Adventures. And more of our beautiful settings here in DC, everybody. Come follow us. And we have the Congressional Library coming up on the center stage right now. So come join us.